St. Patrick's Day is a chance to celebrate all things green. But let's face it, whatever's in a delicious shamrock shake is not natural. Here are some naturally green foods to serve family and friends on this Irish holiday. You can't go wrong with green beans. After all, green is in the name. But other healthy veggies are good too, including some steamed broccoli or zucchini. Of course, you probably serve these every day, or at least you should. Avocados are a fruit, but super healthy. A slice on toast in the morning would be a great way to start the day with some green. A naturally green dessert can seem tricky until you remember the delicious and naturally green pistachio. Crumble some of these on a chocolate-dipped cookie for a treat everyone can enjoy. And of course, you can't go wrong with a key lime pie. It's not super green, but if you add some zest from the limes on top, it's green enough. It's always nice to finish off a menu with a signature drink. You could make a delicious fruit smoothie and then add in some kale or spinach to give it a naturally green hue. The best part is, your friends will only taste the fruit.